They say our most precious resource is time. We only have so much, and yet sometimes we just want to speed things up. And sometimes we don't want a moment to ever end. And this time, all the seconds, minutes, hours, and days you'll have at Marshall University will feel just like that, made up of moments that become the recipe of your life. Championship-level athletics, communities that become family, classes that become laboratories of growth and experience, new perspectives, plenty of challenges, and some well-earned wins. Reflect on what's been, but anticipate what's to come. Now's the time. In fact, now is your time. So how will you use this time? How will you meet the moment? Marshall University. We're ready when you are.